All right, now we're going to make a custom GPT where you can load in your gene keys chart and you're going to be able to start to have a conversation with this GPT. It's going to expedite your path of self-realization. It's going to help you make so much sense of yourself, your God-given gifts, your shadow, which is your challenges in certain areas of your life, and anything you feel overwhelmed by or confused by when it comes to your gene keys. You're going to let this GPT guide you and direct you and give you information that's going to expedite your process to becoming comfortable with the gene keys. So what we're going to do here is you want to go into ChatGPT, and then you're going to go over here, and on the left-hand side, see, I've already got all my GPTs here, but yours list might look different. We want to go to where it says Explore GPTs, and you want to click on that. So it's going to bring you into this GPT store. You want to go over to this big white button on the top right corner over here. You can click Create. So now you can call this whatever you want. You could, the one that I created for myself and I've given to clients is called the Sacred Mirror. You could call it just Gene Keys Coach, whatever you want. And then you can put in a description, whatever description you want, instructions. This is where you can create your own personalized instructions. So as an example, I have a GPT that is a business GPT for me. And I used the gene keys to really help me grow in my business. You can put whatever instructions you want. If you want it to help you in business, that's going to pull more off of the pearl sequence and the star pearl of the chart. Or if you want to learn more about your relationship, that's the Venus sequence. It'll teach you more about those gene keys. You can put a broad scope. You can just say, hey, I want to learn how to understand more of my gene keys. Help me understand my gene keys chart. So you can do that or put whatever instructions you want. You can get creative there. And then conversation starters. So if you know already that you want to learn more about how to create more prosperity in your life, you can create a starter of help me know what my gifts are for creating prosperity. Or whatever you would want it to prompt you to ask for it to start a conversation. What that's going to do is once you open up your main chat, which we'll go back to in a sec here, it'll just be the question starters that are highlighted at the top that you can just click on, and then it'll dive you right in, and you don't have to re-enter those questions every time. So if you know you're wanting to learn more about the struggles you have and the gifts that you bring relationship, you could say, really help me understand my Venus sequence, help me master relationships or whatever. And you can click on that and it'll start to feed you information. Okay, so down here's the golden nugget. You want to click upload files and you want to go find the file that you created that has your, where did I put John Smith? He's missing. Where did his chart go? John Smith, where are you? Here we go. So you want to find the chart that you downloaded. You grab your PDF download. If you haven't done that already, go get it. PDF download and make sure. So if you've been working with me for a while and you already have your gene keys chart, you're going to want to do something, and that's go download your most recent gene keys chart. Go put in all your information again and re-download the PDF, because they've made changes where now they include what's called the star pearl. So the star pearl is now part of your profile that you can download. And if you don't have that, you're not getting your full picture. Before, we had to screenshot the star pearl and load that as a separate document. And then ChatGPT was having a hard time of reading that image. But right now it's in the PDF. So you want to go get the updated PDF and then load that in. And then now that you've loaded this into the knowledge, you'll never have to do this again. This is what's so cool about creating your own GPT. And so you can go in and you can play with the other settings. You might want to create some custom settings. It depends how versed you are in this, but you don't need to. That's going to be good enough. And then you're going to go to this top right corner over here, and when you're done, you're going to hit create. And then What's cool about this is you can actually share this with people. So if your partner actually wants to ask questions to get to know your gene keys chart and you're comfortable with sharing that information, you can share this link to your partner and they can ask questions about being in relationship with you, and they'll be able to draw off your chart so that your partner can actually make more sense of you, which is really cool because it's not just for you, it's anyone in your life. You can send this to them and they can ask questions to better understand you also, which is super cool. You know, somebody could use this GPT and say, God, I'm having a really hard time relating with so-and-so in this one area. Help me understand maybe why. And they'll maybe it'll pull off some reflections on a certain key and say, well, yeah, this person is going to have a bit of a challenge in this area. That just means they're in the shadow. But this is the gift they have. Maybe approach them this way. You know, it's super helpful in so many ways. Or you can just click only you, or you can even pop it in the store. My guess is you probably want to do that. So you're going to want to save that. I'm not going to save that because I've already created one. So what I'll do is I'll take you back here. I'm just going to hop back out of there. And then I'm going to pop in the one that I created for clients. Oh, not that one. The secret mirror, which is up here. So I click on that, and this is, so in that window that was showing the conversation starters, that's what these are here. So you're going to have whatever your personal ones are. And so one that I've got is give me journaling prompts. So I can just go in here and click this, and it's just already going to start spitting out, journal prompts. And so this one's going to be more generic because this is the one that I send to clients. This one doesn't actually have my Gene Keys chart loaded into it. This is for clients who want to load their chart into it. But now this video, and the point of this is you can go make your own custom GPT. So you don't have to do this anymore. You don't have to use the sacred mirror and enter this in each time. You can have your own sacred mirror. And this, my friend, is how you do it.